Oh, baby. Yeah. Boy, it's a spider. Well, welcome back to Rusty Nuts, guys, and we're back at Madford Engineering. We're just taking Bob into the workshop now. So the tub has been removed. We've just balanced it on the back. So when we get in, we'll lift that off and then we'll get cracking and we'll let you know what we're doing. Future Dave here, guys, and I erred and I didn't turn the mic on, so I'm telling you here, basically we're working on taking the wings off. So we're going to strip both wings off. There's some bolts that we need to undo on the side skirts, and we need to pull the wiring through and get that all unbolted as well, and then some bolts down the door pillars. So let's crack on. Right, so the mud shield and the steering box cover, mud cover is off. That was royally rusted. Me and Eileen are just working on now getting the cabling out from along here, which is on P-clips, but we've had to grind a lot of them off. So under here you can see where we've had to, I got a bit excited with the grinder there. Here we just use the air gun, little finger sander thing, whiz those off, and you can kind of see better now the damage to the footwell, which is what, you know, the reason the wings are coming off, so we can get that repaired. It's really crusty, you can see it just all comes apart basically. So Liam's working on the other side, getting the wing off. But we're pretty much done on cabling now, I think. So let's go and see what Liam's up to.
So we've got these bolts here that secure the wing to the middle guard thingamajiggy whatnot, the radiator guard. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts, and they're all on a captive plate. You see how that's moving?
Yeah.
This one here has decided to not play the game. So
get medieval on its ass.
So we're going to melt the fucker instead.
That's going to stink.
Was that underseal dripping on you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, you know it's quality when it does that. It's definitely too big now. Oops. Yeah.
So yeah, Liam's having a little bit of a battle down there.
It's just one bloody one.
Oh look, we've got
the rest have all come out.
some nice smokage coming up here.
Squirtage.
Squirtage?
Did you say?
We don't want that. Smokage.
No smell.
Right, so we're under the car. Oh, what are you doing, Liam?
Trying to get the balance off to be able to get the back bolts off.
Ah, so we're doing the same job here.
Yeah.
Both getting the side skirts off. Oh man, I got showered. Liam, have you done the these end ones, these two? Yeah.
The valets?
Yeah. What size are they?
10.
Oh, these aren't. They're different size, aren't they? Did you had new bolts, didn't you?
No, that's the main one that goes through the chassis here. For the bulkhead. Got a brand new bolt on it. Look.
Ah, okay. So currently at the moment I'm taking these bolts out here and yeah, they're absolute ball ache, so they're all different sizes all the way along. We've already removed the ones that are a bit further down on this one. Woohoo! They're out. What's holding that on? Ah, got one more there. 10. Where's all my bits gone? Yeah, thought it was a spider. Stay. It was a beauty, that one.
What was Sandy's here? Oh, yeah, there. That's not far off Florence. You've got 43 FM60. Florence is 49. FM60, I think.
So could they be in the service at the same time?
Yeah. These are in.
Right, the
So Dom's open with the
side sills are off now, so it was 4 or 5 bolts, in fact, 5 bolts to come off, so that came off pretty well. It's just the different sizes, it was a bit of a pain in the butt. So then I'm going to start now unbolting the wing.
He's
Doing a lot of again.
So Liam's going for the bolts now up inside the wing. You're doing the ones inside the wing now, aren't you? Yeah. Cool. That's what we need to do on this side. So get cracking. It's a little diddy one. It's weird that it's different. Maybe it just needs a bit of a...
Oh.
14 it is? Unless they're imperial.
Maybe, but 14 will do.
It works. Right, next one. Oh, this bar's going to get in the way. Yeah, that's really annoying. Oh, that's in the footwell. Right, so just got the first bolts out of the wing. Use this huge extension bar. And then what we're doing is spin you around. That's going in, down there. And then getting the bolts, which are then going through into the pillar on the bulkhead. So they're out pretty much, I think, if I can spin yous in the R. So you just see down here, bloody cables. Down there, can't get my finger around down there. They're out now, so this is starting to get loose. And then got to get out, where is it? There's a bolt here. So I'm just trying to get this under seal off, and then I can get that off, and that's released. Right, we think Liam's ready to get his wing off. You ready? Oh, baby. Yes!
Stop it. Stopping.
Hold it tight. Don't drop it.
It's the radio cable. So just stop.
Ah, yeah, you just pull them out. There we go. It's all right, we got them out. Beautiful. Look at that teamwork.
Got it?
Fun. Yeah.
All yours, dude.
Oh, baby. Look at that.
Robert, showing some more clothes.
Number 2.
Wing number 2.
Oh,
There
Roberto.
you go, Bobalicious. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look, that one's that.
He does look naked. He likes it.
Jesus, look at that. Oh, shit.
Rachel's just said, look how scrawny Bob looks. He's over.
Hey. Leave Bobby
Holy
alone.
crap.
It's a good bit of erosion, that,
fucking
isn't
hell.
it?
That's amazing.
We're just coming round to doing the bumper, taking the bumpers off. And these are 3/8 UNF bolts, so 9/16 on the top. And there's a nut on the bottom that's a real bugger to get to. So put a gun on, undo them. And this is the frightening thing. Now, remember, these are lifting eyes, so you can lift the vehicle. And this is what happens over years of corrosion. So it's gone from a 3/8 at the top there to what's that there, about 6 mil at the bottom. So the structural integrity to lift the vehicle off the ground isn't quite what you'd expect. So you'd have a, you know, obviously, when I get my helicopter out, obviously I own one, we'll do a test, obviously not with those bolts. So there you go.
Fire. Yourself back.
Watch your fingers.
Your fingers. I think we might need a bigger hammer. Oi. It's me that has to put up with it.
So we'll just be able to create a repair section for that, won't we?
make that,
Yeah.
and you'll never know once it's done.
I mean, because they're actually pretty solid, aren't
They
they?
usually go under here.
Yeah, it felt a
Yours
bit
are
crusty.
solid.
Is it?
Yeah.
It felt a bit crusty when I was
Absolutely
poking
solid, yeah.
around, but
Check this side. There's a little hole that side, but once the chassis is upside down,
yeah.
you can repair that. So I would leave it at that now,
Yeah.
because your next bit is going to be oil cooler disconnection
Yep.
and then bypass. That ain't a 5-minute job. Front panel off. That little piece on the bulkhead out the way so you can get to the bellows and bolts, and then it's engine out.
Phenomenal.
Amazing.
So,
Actually, that much more then before it comes out.
No.
It's incredible, isn't it?
If you've got a good couple of lads that know what they're doing, you can strip one of these to bits to nothing in a day.
Yeah, I bet you can.
Yeah.
sorry, am I not
Get that
showing off?
merch clean.
No, filthy.
Yes, I am dirty.
Oh, look at these dirty boys.
Now we were talking about engine numbers.
Yep.
Remember what the military engine number is?
No.
Got a D in it. Oh no, it's a gearbox.
Suffix D for gearbox.
Yeah.
951. There it is. 951, which denotes military origin.
Where's that, Mick? I can't see it.
Just there. 951.
Ah, yeah, sorry, yeah. I couldn't see it.
951.
So it's a genuine military
Genuine
engine and
military engine.
gearbox.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Because as we discussed, suffix D was the only gearbox that
The military
took.
would use, yeah.
Yeah. Because it was the latest rendition of.
Is that on the earlier stuff as well?
No, when it came from the factory, it would perhaps have a suffix A. But as it got changed in service, they always had suffix D.
So likelihood is like a truck like Sandy would have had a
That's why they had
gearbox
4
changed.
engines, 4
Yeah,
gearboxes.
got you.
What you tend to find is that the military would try and burn their budget at the beginning of a new financial year or at the end of the financial year, because if they didn't spend the budget, you didn't get it the next year.
Got you.
So it would be drag a load of Land Rovers in, put an engine in it, put a gearbox in it, just to burn the budget,
Even if they didn't need it.
even if it didn't need it. But what you tend to find that Not that I'm knocking any of the military mechanics at all, but if a Land Rover came in with, say, a misfire, and it was misdiagnosed as a burnt out valve because they couldn't be asked to test it, they'd just put an engine in it.
Got you. So they would have a rack of engines almost
Yeah, you
at
just
any
put
one time.
a submission in for an engine, it would turn up in a crate, fully dressed, carburettor, alternator, everything.
Oh, literally drop it?
Oh, yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
okay.
The new clutch would be in a box, the new fan belts would be in the box.
Wow, okay.
Take all the protective paper off, bolt it in, boom, put the old engine back in the crate, and it went back to... and got
Brilliant.
reconned. You probably only wanted a spark plug. A lot of them, you wouldn't believe it,
Wow.
you know. Is Bob's carb all right? Oh. Okay, we might have to
Is
do a
that
video
play
on
in
that.
that
Yeah,
shaft?
we might have to do a video on that chair to fix that.
Do you machine a plastic insert?
Yes, Delaron.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Because we want to avoid Chinese carburetors as much as possible.
I want to.
That's the proper Zenith, isn't
Yeah,
it?
that's
Yeah.
genuine.
I love this. This is brilliant.
Yeah.
Do it
But
again.
it's
I
meant-
didn't get it.
So
You pull
the
that, yeah, you pull
linkage,
that
you pull it down, look.
Yeah. Ah,
So you
okay.
disconnect it.
Beautiful.
The earlier linkages had like a pair of wings on the back that you flicked the wings and it came off.
Oh, okay.
And
This is that spring we've got to replace as well, isn't it? That
Yeah.
was
Yeah, it's
causing
broke.
that issue, which
We
is
can
why they
get rid
put
of that
this
then, yeah.
crappy spring on here.
yeah.
Because you have to run it on choke to give that a bit of tension so that it doesn't stall when you give it some throttle when you first start.
Yeah. No, that'll rectify itself.
Beautiful. I can't wait to get Bob up and running.
It'll be mint.
He is mint.
It is mint.